Today we're opening Draft 2017 cards, and there's one autograph random. So I'm opening the packs right now. And I finally opened it. And
Just show the camera, homie.
we got this card. I don't know the name.
Austin Alapipi? I don't know. Some dude from, I think that's Florida.
My brother says it might be from Florida.
Maybe, I don't know. Don't. Show the camera.
Draw.
Drew Morgan. Oh, that's Arkansas. And then Tim Williams, that's Alabama. You got Josh Reynolds out of Utah. Wait, no, it's not Utah. I think it's Texas A&M. You got CJ Beathard, QB. Never heard of him. Probably didn't even get drafted. TJ Logan, North Carolina. I was more of a fan of, I forgot his name for right now. The small white boy. Freak. He got drafted to the Cowboys, so I don't really like him that much no more. Brad Kaya out of Miami. Shelton Gibson, that's West Virginia. Love their uniforms. And then Dolphin Pumphrey Jr., running back. Oh, that's a nice one. Out of San Diego State. It's another guy from Miami. You got Ezekiel Elliott, 2016 rushing leader. It's a nice one. Who's that? Another Tim Williams card. Weak. Didn't want to read the name. Jake Elliott, kicker. Don't know what school that is. Isaiah Rochelle from Notre Dame. Garrett Brawls. I don't know that school. Seth Russell. I can't tell, but that's either Baylor or Hawaii. But I'm gonna go Baylor. And then Joshua Dobbs. Oh, he got drafted to the Steelers from Texas. Yeah, it's a cool one. Keep going. Corey Davis. Damn, that's a nice one. He's gonna be a big time rookie. Probably won Rookie of the Year this year, no doubt. Charles Harris, DN, out of Mizzou. Jake Elliott again, weak. And then another Adams Bin Swati card. Right. Say bye.
Bye.